something that's still very relevant to us, something which still holds some kind of a meaning for our lives, for our existence. That's the only reason why we keep going back to Shakespeare. So there was a familiarity with Hamlet. Lear, not so much, except the fact of the father and daughters, one didn't know very much about it. But when I read the play, it really got me by the guts. I think clowns maybe have a pure being, they have a pure essence, so it is devoid, almost devoid of social baggages. Gibberish was evolved in our play See for Clown for the first time, which we started with the knowledge that we want to do a play with clowns, that's it. During those rehearsals, we stumbled upon gibberish and we found it a very expressive way of communication. Also, there was a struggle to find out how do clowns talk. Clowns can't talk like you and me, so we had to devise a special language, and gibberish served that purpose. I announced that I'm doing my next play, which is Lear, with just one actor, and that actor is Atul. I told this to my friends, troupe. Ranveer was one of them who was upset, but the really upset guy was Vinay. He said, "You can't do that. How can you do that? You have to audition. You can't do that. How did you decide?" And he was really upset, and I was very sorry that he was upset. And then a few days later, when he was not so angry, he said, "Do you mind if I come and be a part of the rehearsal?" I said, "Mind? No, of course. Please, it'll be great. It'll be a great help." He said, "I just want to be part of the process." That's when I asked Atul if it is okay if you share the shows. Atul, of course, said yes. That's how it came about. Nothing like Lear was appropriate also because it is Lear. It is absolutely Lear. Every theme, every essence of the play is in this piece. And yet it's nothing like Lear. See, one idea was also to make this Lear a part of us. So we infused this text with stories from our lives. Our experience with our fathers, our experience with our daughters and sons. Lear is any father, in a way. Any father who's become old now, so lost his authority, he's a nothing again. The best thing the best compliment I get after the show of Lear is when some young girl comes to me and says, "I'm going to call my father right now." That makes me very happy, that people have connected with the play, they've responded to the play. I think that's all that a work of art can do. It can make you look at your life again and look at your experiences again and maybe value them